let's get started. So far we have been learning good number of Power BI cloud concepts, right? Let's recap what we did so far till now. I would like to hear from you. So please help me. Let's get started. I would like to hear from you. I would like to know like what are we learned in our classes so far till now. Okay, let's see. So for this purpose, I'll be opening one small Excel file. In fact, our course curriculum file on my screen now. So here it is. I'll take it separate sheet. I'll call it as Power BI Cloud How-Tos. Yeah, please tell me. Please help me. What all we learned in cloud? Please, I'll wait. Firstly, we learned how to. Please, mic with everyone. How to configure cloud, right? How to create Power BI cloud account, right? Power BI cloud account. Next, please. How to? Yes.
Publish the reports.
Exactly. Publish the report. Before that, how to log into cloud from
Power BI
desktop. Before that, if you remember correctly, before we do this activity, we learned how to create Power BI workspace. You remember, please, everyone?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
Yes,
Okay, perfect. Next, others, please help me. Everyone, please help me. What next we did? How to publish report to cloud. Right. Next, how to verify reports and semantic models in cloud. Remember, everyone, whenever we upload a report, we get some semantic model auto created, right? This one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one. Yep. Next, what else we did? We clicked on a particular report and edit the report, right? We clicked on edit report. This one. How to edit a report. Then how to
Create dashboards.
Create a report also.
no. Create new report from semantic model, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's not miss anything, okay? Let's not miss anything. Everything is important, right? So let's learn step by step carefully. Yes, we did how to create report from semantic model. What next? Please go through your notes carefully. Please go through your notes. What next we did? Yes, we got the complete detailed notes, right? Yeah. How to? Yes, how to? Yeah, how to create a dashboard, okay? Isn't it? Yes, how to create a dashboard. Then how to pin a visual. Yes, how to please next, how to pin
image.
Entire visual.
No, not image. Enter
Entire
page.
visual.
Entire page. Yes.
Pin live we call pin live. Okay. Next, how to verify dashboard. Tiles. And then yes, how to add image style to dashboard. And how to add
text.
Exactly, text style to dashboard. Yes, please observe carefully. Please observe carefully. So these are all the 13 items we learned day before yesterday, right? Day before yesterday, we learned all these 13 items. Next, what else we learned, please? I'll wait.
Data refresh.
No, I think we also learned how to perform Q&A, right? Isn't it Q&A?
Oh, yes.
Yes, how to pin Q&A.
Reports from Q&A. Yeah.
How to pin tiles. No, tiles. Of course, visuals only. How to pin Q&A visuals as tiles into dashboard. Correct. Yes. Okay. These are the items we learned day for yesterday. These items. Simple, straightforward, 1 minute activity each. Then what else we learned? Please. These are the main items we learned. Then what next, please? Come on, yesterday's class, what else we did? How
Data
to
refresh.
install gateway,
Gateways.
also called data gateway. Remember, this is called data gateway. Then how to configure data gateway. Okay, next, how to configure data gateway. Then how to link gateway to
Cloud.
semantic model exactly in
Yes.
cloud service. Okay, next, how to add data
Ye-
sources, how to refresh data, manual refresh, and also how to refresh data, automated scheduled refresh. Please, hope you remember this, everyone.
Yes.
Manual refresh, auto refresh, both we learned yesterday. So yesterday we had a small class for these items, and we also learned how to test data refresh for semantic models and reports, right? Both we learned yesterday. So these are the yesterday's items. I'll mail you all this content just to make it clear. Yes. So total 22 how-tos we did yesterday and day before. Come on. What are the how-tos we did today? Please, let's continue. Hope this revision is helping us, right? What do you say, please? Hope this is helping you.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Perfect. Great. Let's continue. Next, what else? How to? Today, what we did? How to copy a report. How to?
Save a report also.
Yeah, how to copy a report. Next.
Who who can use the report? Permissions.
Yes, apart from copy, yes, we learned how to, I'll
Save
just
a
take it
copy.
this way.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll go in order.
Okay.
So this one. Hope you are writing your
Save a
observation notes. This one.
file.
Save a copy. Then download the file. Download, manage permissions. How to download a report. And how to manage or how to add users to the report. And how to share the report. Then how to
Print. Print.
exactly print report. How to print report. How to embed report into websites, blogs, SharePoint, etc. Then we learned how to generate QR code.
QR code. Yeah.
Okay, in addition to our 50 examples on Power Query earlier classes, you please practice all these things carefully. How to rename a report. Next, how to export report. Right? We already
Yes.
mentioned share. What next? How to explore. How to perform data exploration. Remember, this is a preview feature. Next, how to subscribe. How to create report subscriptions. Okay, these items. Next. So until here yesterday, and these are all today's journey points. Okay, next. Then we learn today how to verify report associations with dashboards and semantic model. Next, how to generate lineage and how to generate usage metrics. Okay, these are the items we learned today. Next, our next activity is tomorrow. We are going to learn how to create alerts. how to create apps, how to share apps, and how to, sorry for the typo,
Sir, again your voice is not audible.
yes, let's continue. So here it is. Until yesterday we got metrics, right? Tomorrow, until today we got metrics. Tomorrow we'll see alerts, apps, something called sections, audience groups, how to share apps we'll do next. Then we'll see how to edit tiles, how to manage dashboards. Okay, these are the items we are going to learn next. Later we'll see how to use AI in Power BI and how to perform analytics in Power BI. Okay, and how to create or how to write DAX scripts in Power BI Cloud, a new feature in Power BI Cloud. Scripts directly in Power BI. Previous classes, we used to go for DAX in desktop tool. Now in cloud itself, we have that option. So for today, you please complete your practice until 1 to 36. And can we have a friendly mock test tomorrow, please? Can we? Tomorrow, please. I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. We have few more items to be included in the list. I'll do it tomorrow anyway in our class. Let's make it 50. There are actually 50 items. We have one more concepts coming up next. Not tomorrow, most by day after. Let's go slowly, step by step. And here it is. Until usage metrics, please be clear. We'll stop for today. Please practice the things carefully. Ensure on-time practice for best results, please. Help me. Practice on time and submit your assignments. You'll be receiving some FAQs today. Please submit on our website before tomorrow's class or max by weekend, please. Thank you so much, and we are meeting tomorrow. Have a nice time. Thank you.